Hello everyone, I'm back once again. We're gonna go over the CodingBat website again. We're gonna solve another Python example from Warmup1. Previously, we did two other exercises which were sleep in and diff 21. Today we are going to solve, let's just do monkey terrible. Okay, so let's see what this question wants and what are the inputs and the outputs and how we can possibly solve this question. So we have two monkeys A and B, and the parameter A is small and B is small indicate if each is a smile. We are in terrible if they're both smiling or if neither of them are smiling. Return true if we are in terrible. Okay. That means if you are getting the two same, so let's say if you're getting if the first monkey is smiling and the second one smiles, we have to return true. And if monkey B is not A is not smiling and the B is not also smiling, again we have to return true. But then if one of them is smiling and the other one is not smiling, it doesn't matter if it's a monkey A or monkey B, it has to return 0. So this is a pretty easy exercise that we are going through because we're just doing a warm-up. Obviously you can look at the solution here, but we kind of do not want to go over the solution because we want to solve it ourselves. So how we can possibly do it, we can just do if monkey A is smile and B is smile, we want to return true. Return true, else if it means else if that's not the case, we have to do another one. Else if not A smile and B a smile, return false. And then else if A a smile and B not smile, so the second one doesn't smile, we have to again return false. And then if anything else, so we can either write else if not A smile and not B smile, or we can just do else. So there's the last case that it is obvious, we can just put else, return true. So if it's anything other than these three, it's going to return true. So if you do this one, we can see if it's completely true, or we can try the other version that so let's say if we comment this one out, we can possibly do LF not not A smile and not B smile, return true. Okay, let's just have to change this. Okay, so just let's check this one. Okay, so we see this one is also true. So you have the option to do either of these two. Okay, so let's just do this one as our first solution method, first method. And then if we comment all these out, okay, so let's do a second method to solve this exam. The second method is that if we do if A is smiling, return, so if A is true, also return B as true. So also return B as smile. If anything other than that, just return not B as smile. This is a little advanced solution to this one, but it will completely work. And let's just try it. Okay, as we see, it will also work out. And then we can do the opposite, which is if be a smile, return a smile, else return not a smile. Yeah, okay. So let's just comment this one out. I'll run this one. Okay, so this one will also work out. And then let's do our last method. That's our third method. And let's do our last method for. We can possibly do just create a variable. Let's say if both of them smile, so both smile. If A smile and B smile. And then if, let's say, do neither of them smile, we can do not a smile and not B smile. Okay. So the last line we can just do return true if both are smiling, else return neither are smiling. So else is gonna return as false value. I think this one may be given problem, but let's see. Okay, yeah, so there's something wrong with this. Return true if both are smiling. Or okay, so you have to put or neither of them is smiling. So if it has to return true if one of the cases are true. Okay, so we have to do neither smile. So this should be fine. Okay, there is something wrong in the last line. Okay, so I actually do not have to put any true value because both of this will be anyways true. Like it's gonna result to output of true, but let's try. Okay, now it's fine. Thank you for watching this video again. If you have any question, please comment down below. And if you have any, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.